yeah, yeah. Yeah, oh, life is something else, Baba. I've been standing here for too long, watching everybody move, everybody move. Vows to walk the same streets, share the same dreams. Now they're driving foreign cars, living by the sea. Mfanaka got his own place, Tabo overseas, and me, I'm still right here on my bended knees. Check my phone this morning, another success post, another friend ascending, while I'm the one who's lost. I clap for them, I really do, but God, you know the cost of smiling at the world when your own hope has almost crossed. Mama said be patient, season's gonna come, but the rent is overdue, and I'm counting every crumb. Sianda's got a business now, Loreto's just begun, and I'm holding on to faith like it's the only thing I want. The station doesn't move, but the trains keep passing through. Every face a familiar name, who found their breakthrough. I tell myself it's not a race, I know that much is true, but the silence gets so heavy when there's nothing else to do. And izabing izokwazi, I will not fear, I will know. Uguti Zululia color before the flowers grow. The sky must cry before the flowers grow. I've been the seed in the dark, unseen but I'm alive, and every still and silent day is teaching me to thrive. So I'll keep showing up to this station every day until the train with my name on finally comes my way.